Hey everybody, I'm Trish from Foldfactory, and this is your 60-second super cool fold of the week. Thanks for watching. This week's super cool fold is another awesome solution from my good friends at Callan Printing in Calgary. This is a piece they produced for artist and designer Robin Arsenault for her exhibit called Onlookers at Nickel Galleries at University of Calgary. This piece is so incredibly clever. Great twist on an accordion fold. I'm calling it a layered accordion, and you'll see why. So this piece opens up like this. It's kind of a classic 5-panel accordion. However, you'll see here there's a little flap, and if I turn it around, you'll see that it actually is a wrap, kind of a layer, an extra layer here that wraps around this 5-panel accordion. So this is all Cougar Natural, 100-pound cover, and 70 text. So this extra layer here is 70 text. This is 100 covers. So this is kind of your base format, and then this layers around it. So I love this. The piece is really cool. This is offset printed black and metallic silver and gold. It also has a hand stamp from the artist in red. So, you know, the piece itself is very, very cool. And then there's a lot of information on this layering piece. And then this piece basically fits like this and wraps around the end. You really do need this little flap. I love it because it also highlights her name, but you also need it to kind of grip this carrier piece. But I love the concept of having this additional piece that kind of piggybacks onto the main piece. So these were die, score, hand collated and assembled. They did about 300 of them for the exhibit, but just brilliant idea. I hope you like it. That's your 60-second super cool fold of the week. Layered accordion. Forward this to your friends and colleagues. Keep the dialogue going of yours. Please send me your folds. If I use them, I'll send you free stuff. Visit foldfactory.com for folded samples, dial-ins, and print. And remember, think finishing at the beginning. I'll see you next week. Bye.